Hi there, please like and subscribe. Open settings. Scroll down. Accessibility. Vision enhancements. Magnification. Tap. Magnification shortcut. Select actions you can use to start using magnification. Tap accessibility button. Press size on the wall map button. Press and hold wall map and down button tap for 3 seconds. Triple tap screen. Tap magnification type. Partials allow switching between partial screen and full screen. Partial screen, full screen. Keep magnification when switching apps in full screen view. Now we can turn off, turn on. Move with cursor while typing moves the magnification area is type. This is supported in all apps. Use the magnification shortcut to turn screen zoom on or off. You'll see either a zoom in area or an outline around the whole screen. If the whole screen has an outline around it, tap anywhere in the box to start zooming, or touch and hold to zoom temporarily. While zooming, you can pinch or adjust, swipe with 2 fingers to scroll. Okay. Drag the handle to move the window, tap the handle to adjust the magnification. Zoom. Please like and subscribe.